I think the thing that gives me the most satisfaction in my job is knowing that we're part of a bigger picture. And even though water quality is a small part of everything that the Pittsburgh District does, collaboratively we make this a better place for the general public. And knowing that I get to go out and work in this beautiful environment and help that decision making occur, make sure we're following regulations and improve the environment for our customers, that gives me joy.
It's great to work with the Army Corps of Engineers because they have a similar mission to us. It's a very natural partnership because we have very similar background, similar mission, and similar purpose to be in the fields.
On a day-to-day basis, we can either be working in the field, such as collecting water samples or biological samples, or we're also in the office where we're fulfilling our obligations to work with helping review permits and things like that.
People in general, Pennsylvanians, should care about our streams and the health of our streams because it's their own health that they're protecting as well. We're drinking this water, we're fishing from it, and if the water isn't protected, humans are not protected either.
One thing we value a lot as a member of the water quality team is partnerships between our federal, state, and local partners. And a lot of that goes back to the fact that we're a 4-member team and we try to make sure that we're covering our bases with our coverage. We try to assist each other in our jobs and also have an open line of communication that just makes our jobs easier across all the agencies and makes for a better flowing environment when it comes to completing our mission. The main mission for the Pittsburgh District is flood control and navigation. And there are regulations, Army regulations, engineering regulations that indicate that as we operate those facilities, we need to make sure that we don't harm the environment or cause any degradation to the environment. So mostly what the team does is we collect that data and supply that professional opinion as to how our operations fit within that mission and are we achieving all our goals and objectives.
Our organization overlaps with the Army Corps of Engineers over jurisdiction of many of the waterways that we sample. Rather than do redundant sampling, or if we know that we are in an area that the Army Corps is specifically interested in, we enjoy partnering with them to get the manpower, especially that we need to be able to finish our sampling efforts.
Some of the big benefits to our partnerships with local organizations, whether it be conservation groups or larger non-governmental organizations, our federal and state partners, is that we can share our information, our data. We can make sure and pool our resources, that we're not replicating something that someone else is doing. And really it helps us bring that all together, and then we can have a very comprehensive picture of water quality within the Pittsburgh District that essentially then benefits also Pennsylvania and the surrounding states.